Introducing the 2021 SEAT Ateca 2.0TDI with 150 horsepower, this sleek 5-door vehicle in gray is a standout choice for those seeking style and performance. With a spacious interior complete with luxury trim and ambient lighting, as well as top safety features like multiple airbags, ABS, and collision avoidance braking, this car offers both comfort and peace of mind on the road. The SEAT Ateca also boasts advanced technology such as satellite navigation, Bluetooth phone connectivity, and voice control for a truly modern driving experience. Plus, with features like roof rails, spoiler, and privacy glass, this vehicle is as stylish as it is functional. Visit blackwatermotors.ie for more details on this fully serviced, warranty-covered beauty. Don't miss out on this exceptional offer.